Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew. Yeah, don't need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Me rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl, you so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You
I think I didn't want to push up. It's okay. Oh, that card. Where they push up? Where they push up? So about to go crossover. I'm about to go take my medicine first, my malaria medicine, and then we're gonna enter crossover. So I'm excited. Glory to God to be seeing 2025. Hopefully by God's grace. So yeah, let me join the rest. I like to take my medicine with Dole. This year, the last time I came, I didn't have a good brand. They have different, Dole is good, but they have different flavors. So this is the flavor I like. This is really, really good. So I'm gonna take my malaria medicine. I kind of touched my tongue because I didn't put enough yogurt. So I'm done for today. I have one more day tomorrow, New Year. Almost crossover. I have a pocket to keep this safe. So the time now is 11:42. We have a lot to cook tomorrow, so yeah, happy. Go. Happy New Year, bonne année, bonne année, bonne année, bonne année. Kids are going up to see. Can you finish it? How much? breakfast. We're just here preparing Christmas, oh sorry, New Year menu. So we have arrow on the menu: salad, fried rice, I can't remember, vegetable, thing is okohobong. So yeah, the kids are having their food, eating. Jason's eating arrow, others are eating rice. I'm about to eat arrow.
So hey guys,
so we're just having a good time.
It's a beautiful day. The sun is out, celebrating New Year here in Limbe. I'm still eating my meal. Try not to look at this. So hey loves, it's a beautiful day here in Limbe. The breeze is blowing, but the heat, we still have the heat guys. I'm working with my portable fan. It's Happy New Year. Hope you guys are having a wonderful one. You're gonna be watching this the new year already sometime in January. I don't know, but for sure I'm enjoying Cameroon. It's beautiful, it's amazing. I'm about to step out. Jason went out with his dad and his brother, and my sister just stepped out with the kids. They're going to the beach, so I'm gonna step out with my little niece and my sister Karen. The rest, I don't know their plans, but we've been having a great time cooking. It's been a morning full of cooking. We even entered the afternoon cooking. Like guys, went to the market this morning, so it's been really beautiful. I just made a call to call a friend, see if she's available. I remember she said she was moving to Limbe, so I don't know if she's still here. That way I can visit her. Yeah, but I want to take some pictures, just some New Year pictures, and see. Oh, feels so good. I need it. Let me finish this tasty, yummy. Am I here, Jay? Thank you. Yeah, I know. I thought you guys were coming with him. I thought you guys were going to come home with him.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time?
Hope you guys are doing good. After my meal, about to head out. I was about to head out, then my brother came with his family, so we're still here, but definitely I want to go out tonight. Maybe not tonight, but today. My sisters, my two elder sisters, I went to Black and White nightclub last night, and I was really tired to go. Today morning I kind of regret not going, so I wish I had gone because they had so much fun, took videos, you know. So but hopefully before I leave, even if I don't attend now, my next trip to Limbe, not when I come back, I mean during this same visit, I'm gonna visit Black and White nightclub. I saw it driving past by and it was really beautiful. It's been there for like forever, but it's really, really nice. So my sister wants me to take her some pictures, so I'm gonna try to do that, and then I'll talk to you guys later. So we're just having so much fun, you know. It's just a family day. She's right there taking pictures with her phone, but you know what the camera does, it does a better job. But let's see how it works, because your girl is still learning the lighting, okay, and settings. So let's see.
Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
Yay! Money can. Confirm, confirm. Fantastic, get up. Prove yourself, Jason. Hey! Hey! Jason is working hard. Ah! Hey, ballerina! Hey! Soft life. That's beautiful. Miss P! Yay! Hey! Good job! Show yourself, T baby! Hey! 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 Good job! Malawa Milas. Go! Hey! Cooking continues. Big Sis is prepping salad, lunch. Good salad for lunch. Huh?
And small sis is eating.
Nice today inside air fryer.
The plantain.
Okay. Tea Mama, thank God so get good chef. Yeah, close it. That led to tonton fresh air. That one we talk through saying I say be just there. Okay, you select that. I know, right? See as you don't walk only with these days injury. Every moment that's Ada.
Ada.
Adama. Because you're the first daughter. That's why.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. About me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff.
Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day. Today's the 2nd of January. Thank God we made it into the new year. I'm still in Limbe. We'll be heading back to Boya today because we have plans. My brother is taking all his sisters out today. I can feel it. The heat is blazing. Oh, I reached out to a friend and she called back. I missed her call. So I have to call back and see if she's available. We want to go to the beach, you know. I just want to take the kids to the beach so they can just have a good time. They did, some of them here, some of them, most of them went there. My sister and her kids, they went to the beach. They were hanging out with family. And Bobby took Jason and his brother. They hung out at the beach too. So today I want to take my niece and Jason and my sister. We're all gonna go hobby. Yeah, just gonna spend time there before heading back to Boya. My mom is gonna stay home, so when we come back, we're gonna head to Boya. So we're gonna be going back and forth Boya Limbe, and also have plans to go to Douala. Have to do some take off some stuff in Douala. So yeah. That's the plan. It was a beautiful day. We just made salad. My sister made salad for lunch, but I've not had anything. Like, I love street food, so I'll go out and see what I can eat. Maybe eat fish, but I'm not sure.
Hello guys, live at Down Beach with Celebrity Barman.
Celebrity Barman.
Join the winning team.
Don't be lying.
Wonderful vacation here in Africa.
Now we win over. Now we win.
Hello guys, we live with Celebrity Barman. We live at Down Beach, the best service. Stop playing, we're winning.
Let them know.
From his stash.
Yeah, those up. That means the food was so good. The cool breeze, that's true. They are knocked out.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah.
Okay. So we're about to leave the beach now. It was a quick one because we have to travel to Boyer. So we are leaving the beach to Boyer. It's beautiful out here. We had a great time. Met a friend. So wow, sure now how they climb the place. You know your mother is strong. Hey guys, back from the beach. So I'm about to pack my things because we're heading to Boyer. We're heading to Boyer because we have to go out tonight. So, but I'm gonna come back. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I'll talk to you guys again later. Let's pack, okay?